In today's video, we are going to show you how to sync Trello with Google Sheets using a two-way integration for 2026. So first, navigate to Trello.com and open the board you want to sync. Once you're there, look at the top right menu bar, then click on the Power Up icon and click Add Power Up. This will open up the Power Ups marketplace. Now search for Google Sheets in the search bar. You'll see Google Sheets plus Trello two-way sync appear. Go ahead and click on Add. After that, come back to your board. You should see a new icon on that menu bar near the Power Up icon. If you don't see it right away, just refresh the page. Once that's visible, click on that new icon and then click Authorize. This will allow the Power Up to connect with your Trello account. From there, just follow the authorization process. Make sure you allow all the necessary permissions. Once the authorization is done successfully, you're all set. You'll now be able to easily sync your Trello board with Google Sheets using this Power Up. And that's how you sync Trello with Google Sheets using a two-way integration. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.